Hi there, we will compare the Omron M6 and M7 blood pressure monitors in this video. These two models feature improved functions and higher accuracy, but how do you know which device better suits your needs? When I saw these two products, one question came to my mind: what is the difference between M6 and M7? I will introduce these two products. The Omron M6 and M7 have almost the same functional features, but are slightly different. We will compare the two products mainly based on their specifications. The Omron M7 and M6 both have AFib sensors. The AFib function of the Omron M7 IntelliIT detects possible atrial fibrillation with high accuracy. What is atrial fibrillation? Atrial fibrillation, often called AFib or AF, is the most common type of arrhythmia. An arrhythmia is when the heart beats too slowly, too fast, or irregularly. In atrial fibrillation, the normal heartbeat in the heart's upper chambers is irregular, and blood does not flow as well as it should from the atria to the heart's lower chambers. Atrial fibrillation can occur in short episodes, but it can also be permanent. Suppose the device detects an irregular heartbeat 2 or more times during blood pressure measurement, the AFib icon flashes. However, this does not represent a diagnosis. It is only a possible indication of atrial fibrillation. Let's compare the features and specifications of both monitors. As you can see in this chart, they have similar features and specifications, except the M6 has no Bluetooth features for synchronization with smartphone. What is the differences between Omron M6 and M7? You can synchronize Omron M7 with a smartphone through Bluetooth, while the M6 cannot. The M7 allows you to transfer data from monitor to a mobile app called Omron Connect, while the M6 does not have this feature. In addition, the screen and display of the M7 is more clear than the M6. What is the similarities between M6 and M7? There are 2 user options in these devices, and data is stored separately for each user. Both devices can store up to 200 blood pressure readings, 100 for each user. You can also measure blood pressure for other people, for example for a guest, and their data will not be stored in the device. These 2 devices are upper arm BP monitors with arm cuffs. M7 and M6 models give the average values. Both are almost identical in shape and weight. They work by batteries and also with an adapter. M7 and M6 have a dual screen to compare the latest results with other daily readings and your weekly average. So which one should you buy? M6 or M7? If you want to buy a blood pressure monitor with advanced features, both devices are good for you. However, compare the prices and make up your mind. I will put link in the description. The Omron M6 gives you the same results as the M7, but the M7 is a little more advanced, like you can synchronize it with your smartphone. If you want to appreciate our hard work and research, subscribe to our channel, Pharmacist Online, and please like this video. We wish you good health.